So considering your lifestyle, I've understood that it's really, really hectic with a lot of visual impact because you are really continuously looking at the laptops and computers and you are glued to your seats. So what I have designed for the next 4 days is that it is not a session where we will be doing something, like a session, which I usually take. But it is going to be a session based on a a lot of tips related to your lifestyle, related to your diet. I will be demonstrating few of the techniques. You will also be practicing it so that you understand how to do it. And then the most important thing is that you have to take this in your daily lifestyle. Only then it will be helpful, right? Okay. So uh, we will be starting with one thing and just take it as an excellent technique to energize your pranic energy. This is related to some chants which we did yesterday, that is the universal sound of consciousness, Om. But what you're supposed to do today is that you will be reaching in different levels. When I say reaching in different levels, what is going to happen is that you are going to use your breath in the perfect way of pranayam. What is pranayam? When you inhale deeply, you hold your breath, you exhale deeply, you hold your breath. So what you will be doing in this chanting is you will first of all take a deep breath in, and then you will be starting with the three syllables, that is u, ma. Okay, I'm going to show it to you, demonstrate it once. Just understand, do not do it right now. Understand, and then I will make you do it. Your back will be straight, your hands will be relaxed. You will be taking a deep breath in. So in this way, you are supposed to chant this universal sound of consciousness, Om, using the three syllables A, U, and Ma. Now, these three syllables have immense effects on your nervous system, and you will be definitely going to benefit it because yesterday you were mentioning you are not able to sleep well, you're not able to have that kind of an energy. So that's the reason I would like you all to understand that how you are supposed to energize yourself with this resonance, with this sound resonance. Okay, so now you will be chanting it for 3 times just to understand and rest remain your home assignment. Keep your back straight. Keep your hands, your palms facing the ceiling and then place them on your thighs. Close your eyes and try to relax yourself completely. Three times in the same way, which I just demonstrated. Inhale deeply and start. After completing 3 rounds, do not open your eyes. Stay relaxed, calm, and feel the vibrations inside your skull, inside your mouth, and your ears. And now start rubbing your palms together. Faster. This technique was taught to you yesterday. This is called as palming. Feel the heat and the energy within the palms. And now very gently cup your eyes with both your palms. This is called as cupping. Relax your eyes, keep your eyes closed. And in this position, covering your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose. And start breathing out from your mouth as if you are blowing a candle. Eyes remain closed. Breathe in deeply. And breathe out completely from your mouth. Breathe in. And breathe out through your mouth as long as possible, as if you are completely emptying your lungs. Relax. Very gently open the eyes inside the palms. Do not get your hands down, just open your eyes inside the palms. Making your eyes comfortable with the external environment, and then slowly and gently getting your palms down, still looking at your palms, and then get your palms down. This way, you are going to work wonders on your nervous system. You're going to work on a very, very important gland, the mother of all glands, which is called as the pituitary gland. So what you're supposed to do is that we are going to use certain yogic techniques to massage internally. Gently we massage outside, but how to massage your organs internally, yoga is the best way to do that. So first of all, we have just learned 3 types, how you're supposed to breathe in, and with the 3 syllables, you are going to exhale completely. Again, that is going to calm down your mind. You feel relaxed and you feel better. And the energy in the body is getting balanced through this. So you must do this at least 10 times as you get up early in the morning. As you get up early in the morning, you must do this at least for 10 times. Now coming and connecting it with your diet and with what you are supposed to eat, what you are supposed to drink. First and the foremost tip for today is that you have to start your mornings early in the morning. You are supposed to have at least 2 glasses of warm water. Warm water, not cold water, not room temperature water, but you're supposed to have it warm. That way, you are going to cleanse the system internally. How you're supposed to drink that water is the second tip. For example, you have water in the glass. Never ever drink the water like this. Never. Why? Because the air component in the body increases, Vat in the body increases, which is responsible for the pain in the joints. Always drink water sip by sip. Do not gulp water directly, sip by sip. Tip number 3. When you drink water early in the morning, that means you have not brushed your teeth as well. And why so? Because early in the morning, we have diamond in the mouth. That saliva is the diamond, which we should absorb in the system. If you have that saliva which is there early in the morning, that acts like keeping your digestive system very, very strong. So keeps you away from gases, acidity problems. 1-2 sips can be where you are supposed to take that saliva inside. So all right, this was tip number 3. Number 1, drinking water early in the morning, empty stomach, 2 glasses of warm water. Number 2, sipping and drinking the water. Number 3, the gargle which I showed you. Number 4 is never ever stand and drink water. Do not stand in the kitchen and just drink water and come out. No. Always sit down and then drink water. Again, reason is very simple. If you are standing and drinking water, the Vat content in the body increases, which we are not supposed to do that. So always sit and drink water. Always sit and eat. Okay? Now, coming to the next tip. Early in the morning, definitely you are woken up in the morning, you have just gone to the toilet to evacuate your bladder. That is the first thing, that is the topmost thing. And after that, you're supposed to have that warm water. After this, what you can do is to have a healthy digestive system. I will be showing 3 techniques, 3 asanas, which you can do after drinking water, which is going to evacuate your bladder, which is going to evacuate your bowel movement, and it is going to cleanse the body internally. 90% of the problems are related if you are not able to clean the system internally, and which is called as constipation. So that is the reason you are supposed to have a cleansed internal body as well. For that, what you're supposed to do, I'm going to show it to you, and then you are going to practice it with me. All right? Coming on the floor, and what you're supposed to do is little distance between both your feet, stretch down, which we did yesterday, and slowly inhaling and stretch your arms up. Stretch your arms up completely. Now watch, when you are stretching, do not arch your back like this. When you are stretching, stretch, take your tummy in, push your lower back out and stretch. And then down. Tadasana. This is Tadasana. Those who are not having any problem in the knees can also go up on their toes. Number 1, Tadasana. Number 2, Tirak Tadasana. In this distance, stretch, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Number 3, Tirak Tadasana. Now what you have done is you have done Tadasana, you have done Tidak Tadasana, and number 3 is Kati Chakrasana, in which you are supposed to twist your spine, and this way you are going to twist your abdominal system and you are going to move that and churn your stomach. So what you are supposed to do is, one hand will be at the back, other hand in front, like this. Hand which is here, turn that side, twist, come back, change, twist, come back. I'm showing you the side angle. Twist, come back, twist, come back, and relax. Combination of Tadasana, Tidak Tadasana, Kati Chakrasana, TTK. TTK technique has to be done immediately after drinking your 2 glasses of warm water. Now you are going to practice it with my instructions. So please stand up. Distance between both your feet. Everyone please stand up. Interlock your hands the way we did it yesterday and just stretch them down. Turn them around and slowly, slowly, as you inhale, you stretch your arms up. Stretch your arms up. And gently, with a side stretch, get your arms down. Number 2, now we will be raising our heels up. All right, so here we go. Turn around. Inhale, stretch. Be on your toes, raise your heels. Be on your toes, raise your heels. Look in front. Do not look at the camera, just look in front. Follow my instructions. Stretch yourself. Very good. And gently exhaling with a side stretch, get your arms down, get your heels down simultaneously. Third round, we continue with the same thing. Turn around. Here we go. Start. Inhale, stretch, be on your toes, raise your heels up and stretch yourself completely. Now stay in this position. Just breathe normal and stay. And feel the pressure coming on the abdomen. Feel the stretch in the respiratory system. Feel the stretch in the neck, in the spine. And now as you exhale, get your arms down with a backward stretch. Take your arms at the back side and get the arms down. Last time. Stretch down. Inhale, go up, raise your heels up, stretch your arms up. Give the best stretch which you can give, the best stretch, as if someone is pulling you from the top. Feel the stretch in the neck, shoulders, arms, respiratory system, abdomen, legs, knees. All the body parts which I've just mentioned, it is extremely healthy for all these body parts. Now very gently with the backward stretch, पीछे की तरफ हाथ घुमाते हुए धीरे से हाथों को नीचे लेके आएंगे and relax. Tad Asana. Now Tidak Tadasana. Tidak meaning moving. Tadasana, tree. It is tree. Tad ka ped. Tidak, that means moving. When the wind is coming, how the tree moves from the right to the left. In the same way, we are now going to work on the waistline. We are going to work on the digestive system. And we are going to churn and move the abdomen. पानी तो अंदर चला गया है हमारा, सुबह सुबह गर्म पानी गया है. With that warm water, what is going to happen is that all the nerves, all the tissues, all the cells, they have got that oxygen and they have got that fluid. And now they are soft and they are ready to move. Okay, so here we go, start. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Now you are not raising your heels up. Stretch, very good. And exhaling, everyone to the left first. Left side first, everyone to the left side first. Always good for evacuation of your bowel movement. Now come back to the center. Very good, stretch. Inhale, stretch your arms up. And exhaling, go to the other side. Excellent. We repeat, come back to the center, inhale, exhale, go on to the left side. Continue, very good. And come back to the center and go to the other side. Come back to the center and relax your arms down with a backward stretch. When we give that backward stretch, simultaneously we are also working on the shoulder joint. So yesterday, as one of you mentioned, that it has to be something which is quick but effective. So this is a combination of so many things. You are doing breathing, you are doing movement, you are concentrating. So it is a combination of asana, pranayam, meditation, awareness, vigilance, and complete body movement. Okay. Now we are going to do same thing just 2 more times. Let me just check each one of you. So here we go, slowly. Stretch and take your arms up. Give a nice upward stretch, very good. Stretch yourself. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And now go to the left side. Go to the left side. Now stay in this position. Go to the left side. Stay in that position. Staying in that position. Very good. Excellent. Mr. Koteshwar, stretch your arms a little more. Stretch your arms a little more. Very good. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And now slowly, slowly come back to the center. Stretch your arms up, little more up, stretch. First, feel your respiratory system, feel that churning happening. And now exhaling, go to the other side, very good. Excellent, stretch your arms a little more. Do not twist your body. Great going, Ingita, stretch your arms a little more. And slowly, slowly come back, stretch and relax. Mr. Koteshwar, okay, what you are doing is when you are bending, you are doing like this. No, you are supposed to stretch your arms. This stretch is going to give the stretch to the sides, to the abdomen. So this stretching is important. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने best करना है, but आपने ठीक करना है. That is important. Okay? Each and every body is different. So we are not comparing ourselves with any other body, but you have to do it in the correct way. That is important. Perfect. Now we will be doing what? We have done Tadasana. We have done Tidak Tadasana. Now we will be doing Kati Chakrasana. Kati Chakrasana. Everyone keep your right hand on the left shoulder. Left arm at the back side. Inhale and exhaling, twist to the left side. Twist, maximum twist. जितना पीछे की तरफ देख सकते हैं उतना देखेंगे. And come back to the center. Very good. And now we change Other hand, other arm. Inhale. And exhaling, twist to the other side. And come back to the center. And relax yourself. Repeat. Kati Chakrasana. Twist. Abhi, elbow is not like this. Huh? Just watch. Elbow is not like this. Elbow is relaxed. Okay. Breathe in. And breathing out, twist. Twist. Very good. Twist. Little more, Dilpreet. Hemant, look backside. Akash, little more. Very good, Naveen. Twist more, Suresh. And come back to the center. Now, slowly change. And just listen to me. Whenever there is a cloth and we have to take out the water, we twist it nicely. This twisting, can you see this twisting? This is what you're supposed to do right now to your spine, to your abdomen. Okay? So now do it with that intention. Start. Inhale. And exhaling, twist. Very good. Twist, twist, twist. Come on, come on, come on, twist. Very good. Twist little more, Keshe. Very good, Keshe. And slowly come back to the center. And relax. TTK technique. Tadasana, Tidak Tadasana, Kati Chakrasana. One round, you are going to repeat all three together with my instructions. क्योंकि कल सुबह आपने ये सब करना है अपने आप, ठीक है? चलिए. Start. Tadasana, hands down. Start. Stretch up, be on your toes. Raise your heels up, stretch. Maximum. ताड़ की तरह पेड़ को, जैसे ताड़ का पेड़ होता है वैसे अपने आप को खींचिए ऊपर की तरफ. And slowly relax. Very good. Tidak Tadasana. पेड़ को हिलना है. Start. Inhale. Exhale. Everyone to the left. Left. Very good. Center. Right. Center. Relax. And now, Tidak Tadasana. Take the position. Inhale. Exhale. Twist to the side. Come back to the center. Change. Twist to the other side. Come back to the center. And relax yourself. Okay. TTK, Tadasana, Tidak Tadasana, Kati Chakrasana. Now, next, we are going to revise, which we did yesterday, the spinal stretches. 6 stretches which you are supposed to do. Okay? So what you're supposed to do is, first of all, in Gita, do not stand and drink water. Always sit and drink water. Okay. This was again the revision of your tip. No worries. Now, slowly, feet little apart. Interlock, stretch, and start twisting right to left. That is the way you are supposed to start. Keep on breathing. And start twisting to the right and to the left. Very good. Come back to the center. And interlock your hands and stretch your arms up. Very good, Naveen. Stretch your arms up. Twist to the right side. and go down to the right foot. Touch your hands to the right foot. It is not lateral stretch. हम लोग front bending कर रहे हैं, right side. Come back to the center. Stretch your arms up and go to the other side. Left side down. Very good, Ingita. Come back to the center. Go in the center now, front side. When you are going down, try to relax your head, relax your neck. Come back to the center, stretch your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, lateral stretch, left. Come back to the center and go to the other side. Come back to the center and relax your arms. Place your hands at the lower back and get your elbows closer to each other and give a backward stretch, eyes open. Very good. Come back to the center. And now give a forward stretch, bend forward, head down. And slowly come back and relax your arms. Okay, now everyone please sit down. Now to conclude with today's session, what we have done is a lot of tips. Please make a book or a notebook where you can just jot down all these points after my class. What we have done is that we have understood how you have to begin your day early in the morning. First of all, getting up in the morning, going to the toilet, evacuate your bladder, and then go to the kitchen, 2 glasses of warm water, sit down, drink, sip by sip. All the steps are tips for you. After that, you are supposed to start with the movement and giving some friction and some breathing and some movement to the entire body. We will be starting with what? First of all, start with twisting. So do the twisting. And after that, just stretch your arms up, give some stretch, twist to the right, go down, center, left, center, go in the front, center, relax. And after that, you can also do the side stretches, then relax. You can also give some movements to the neck. And after that, give a backward stretch. That's it. Repeat this few times. And then you go on to the TTK technique, Tadasan, Tirak Tadasan, Kati Chakrasan. All these things you are supposed to combine with your breath. You are supposed to combine with your breath. So whenever the body is expanding, you are inhaling. Whenever the body is contracting, you are exhaling. Once that is done, obviously, you will be going to the toilet to evacuate your bowel movements. And after that, you will be doing 10 times that breathing technique by which we started the session. That means Om has to be chanted 10 times in that particular technique, which I told you. Continuously, so that you feel that resonance and the vibrations. This is it for today's class. We will be again meeting tomorrow. Please try to have your sessions right and in the timing so that I have my bracket as well, because I have to now go for the next session. In case of any doubts, again, you can get back to me tomorrow. In case something very, very specific and urgent right now, please shoot.
Ma'am, we should switch off the fans while doing this. Should we? Can we
Okay,
do
so
this when the fan is?
if it is very, very hot, then try to have little fan, because it has to be well ventilated. The place has to be well ventilated. In case it is a very stuffy room, then of course, obviously try to open up the windows. That is very, very important. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Any other thing? Okay.
I think we are fine, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Perfect.
I'm sorry for the delayed session today.
No worries, no worries. Just one important thing is you have to do it. Only one person, two persons doesn't make me happy. All of you, please try to do this technique in the morning tomorrow, and then we meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we have it at 3:30, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So all the best for your training session, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
A lot.
Namaste.
Ma'am, just make me the host again before you exit.